Okay, I wanted to show you my truck bed drawer system I made. It's made out of 3/4 inch plywood. Got these T-handle latch. Includes a 5-foot full extension drawer slide. Rated for 220 pounds. Bought them through Home Depot. The drawer itself is 74 inches long. Plenty of room for gear and bins and small coolers. Got a little storage compartment. I put tie downs in all 4 corners. These flip up. Got storage underneath if I need to. Go right down so you can sleep on both sides. Me, my wife, and my son can sleep back here comfortably. So yeah, that's it.